Joe Beermaster. We have a 2014 Ford Econoline E250 here. This goes for all the Econoline models and many years. I'm going to show you how to take the taillight out to change the bulb or whatever you have. And this one's very simple. There's 4 bolts right here, 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. It does have a Torx head. So you're going to stick the Torx, it's like a Phillips, but it's a little different. It's like a star shape. And you want to go to the store and get one of them if you don't have it. That might be around a T40 or 30. You can get a set and you unscrew them. As soon as you unscrew them, you just pull it out. The assembly will come out and you can change the bulbs. And the bulbs twist out of a socket and you just plug them in. You go to your local supply house and they'll know what bulb you need, or you can take the existing bulb and they can match it up with the numbers on it. Joe Beermaster.